Look at my fridge, guys. This is my before fridge. I'm gonna be cleaning this fridge out because we just don't know what we have, and we just need to clean out because I don't even be knowing what to cook anymore. So what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I do after work. I got off of work at 4 and now I'm gonna go to the gym, but I wanted to mention to you guys that in today's vlog we're gonna be testing the Ancestry DNA. I want to find out from what parts of the world I'm from. Assuming from my last name, I'm somewhere from Italy or Spain. Like my ancestors, of course, not me, but I just want to see what percentages of what I am, and I'm really curious, so we're gonna be testing this out. I'm gonna be showing you guys my gym routine into the weight room. So we're gonna put these on. I usually like fold them like this. This is supposed to like protect my knees because I have really weak knees. I feel like the saddest thing about like being like a gym girly is the fact that I have curly hair, and this is day 1 of my curls. After this, I'm not even gonna wear my curls because they're gonna be all wet and like deformed. They're not even gonna be curly anymore because all my hair lotion washes out with the sweat. But these are my headphones. They're just Beats, and I'm gonna listen to some Dembo. I like this one. This song at the moment, it's really good. It's something to get lit to. But I'm gonna tie up my hair because this is not it. I cannot run like this, guys. Fast forward, we're in my weight room. This is my Smith machine. It's by RipFit. This is what I normally would do on a Smith machine, even though I haven't been here in a while. We're gonna start with the 10 weights because I do not want to strain my knees because my knees are weak. So I am out of the gym and now it's time for the DNA ancestry test. Yes, it opens right here. So when you first open it, it looks like this. I guess these are the instructions. I have to first register my kit, scan the QR. It says you have a unique registration code. I need to spit in the tube and install the cap and shake. Okay, so this is the address. It has a shipping label on it already. It's really cutesy.
That is not cute.
Shut up, Saina. Shut the front door. Just kidding. Just kidding, guys. Oh, I'm not supposed to take all of it out. What is these? This looks scary.
See how bad she treats me? She tells me to shut up.
Okay, so I guess that's my QR code. What is this for? So it looks like this. It has the spitting tube and it brings the seal. So like, okay. Read the instructions.
It says to fill the tube with saliva to the back line.
Damn.
Guys, don't look at her.
Oh, wow. I guess it wasn't like a lot. It's gonna have like pineapple DNA because I just ate pineapple.
Here, you're gonna be Hawaiian.
Go off this funnel. Screw on the enclosed.
Tight. 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You did it wrong. You started early.
Shut up. What's the next step?
Place the tube in the collection bag.
Oh, that's all, guys. I just need to activate it.
Return your sample.
Alrighty, so we have finished. We'll probably need to scan the code and everything to have it activated. But basically, I finished, guys. Easy. I don't know if I keep this card. It's with the activation code, so I can't show you guys. She's adopted.
Bruh.
Shush. Alright, guys. So I'm gonna package this up and show you guys after.
Nunca dejes de creer en mí. Tú también deberías de creer en ti. Vales más de lo que piensas.